Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a tool called network scanning. Uh, Network scanning, basically there are many tools that we can use to scan the network. The purpose of network scanning is to get list of IP address on specific network, list of to get information about list of active hosts, and to get list of open ports in a specific system. So for all this we can use three tools that are commonly used, like advanced IP scanner, which is used to scan IP addresses and MAC address of the network, and angry IP scanner also. The difference: angry IP scanner has an option to scan for open ports. This unfortunately an advanced IP scanner doesn't scan for open ports in a system. And knowing the open ports of a specific system is very important to know to exploit a system. For penetration testing purpose, and netscan tools pro is also another good tool for scanning the network. Let us go ahead and try to use under advanced IP scanner. Advanced IP scanner, this is let us see the that's one. So I will scan. So scanning the list of hosts, active hosts on a network. It will also scan the the hosts that are not active. If as you can see, we're able to get the IPs of all the devices connected on our network, and we're able to get manufacturer information, MAC address information, and so on. Let's try another tool, which is also it seems it's not available, but you can download it from the IP scanner. So this tool, we are going to scan the IP. As you can see, you can specify the range, the IP range here, and it will scan for you all the IPs. In addition to that, it will also list the list of open ports. For example, this device has two open ports, 80 and 40, and so on. Let's stop it for a moment. Yeah, and another tool, netscan tool, is one of my favorites. It has many features. Uh, So it has many options, especially if you purchase the pro version. You can scan ARP scan, and you can do um, email validate, many more. Let us try the ARP ping scan. Let us do the we have port scanner here and ping scanner. Let's use the ping scanner. Let's specify the range of our network, and let's start. One second, for some reason it's taking the wrong IP range. 100.1. So basically what it's doing is it's pinging each IP, every single IP from this range, and if it gets a response, it's yeah, this is a ping scanner. And port scanner also, there is an option to port scan. Let's say let's choose a target. Let us choose a target, for example, let's 192.168.100.1. So it has scanned for open ports on this IP, and it is listed for me two open ports on this IP. So thank you for see you next time. That's it for today.